Welcome back, everyone. Today we are comparing two incredible dog breeds, the Dogo Argentino and the Pitbull. Both of these dogs are known for their strength, loyalty, and athletic ability. But when it comes to training intelligence, family life, and overall temperament, how do they compare? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the Dogo Argentino. This breed was originally developed in Argentina as a hunting dog. Dogos are large, muscular, and extremely athletic. They were bred to track and hunt large game, which means they have tremendous stamina and determination. Now let's look at the Pitbull. Pitbulls are famous for their strength, confidence, and deep bond with their owners. Despite many misconceptions, a properly trained and socialized Pitbull can be one of the most loving and loyal companions you could ever have. When it comes to the size, the Dogo Argentino is usually larger. Most Dogos stand taller and weigh more than the average pit bull. Their powerful build gives them an impressive appearance that commands attention. However, pit bulls are incredibly muscular for their size. Pound for pound, they are among the strongest dog breeds in the world. Their compact build allows them to be agile, fast, and energetic. Now let's discuss intelligence and training. Both breeds are smart and eager to learn. When trained consistently, the Dogo Argentino tends to be focused and determined, especially when given a task to complete. Pit bulls, on the other hand, often thrive on human interaction. They love pleasing their owners and can learn commands quickly when training is positive and rewarding. One important thing to remember is that training matters more than breed. A well trained dog is usually more predictable, obedient, and enjoyable to live with than an untrained dog, regardless of breed. What about family life? A trained Dogo Argentino can be calm, affectionate, and protective around family members. They form strong bonds with their owners and can be excellent companions. Pit bulls are also known for being affectionate and loving. Many owners describe them as oversized lap dogs because they consistently seek attention and affection from their favorite humans. When it comes to exercise, both breeds require daily activity. These are not dogs that enjoy being bored all the day. Regular walks, play sessions, and mental stimulations are important for keeping them happy and healthy. Without enough exercise, either breed can become frustrated and develop unwanted behaviors. Now, let's talk about loyalty. This is where both breeds truly shine. Dogos and pit bulls are known for their devotion to their families. They love being included in daily activities and enjoy spending time with the people they trust. If you're looking for a dog that will always be excited to see you, both breeds fit that description perfectly. So, which breed is better? The truth is, there is no single winner. The best dog depends on your lifestyle, the experience, and the commitment of training. If you prefer a larger working dog with a human hunting background, the Dogo Argentino may be the right choice. If you want a powerful, affectionate, and companion that thrives in human interaction, the pit bull could be the perfect fit. At the end of the day, responsible ownership, proper training and socialization and what make a great dog. Let me know in the comments, which breed would you choose? The Dogo, Argentino or the Pit Bull? If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing dog content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Pitbull Life.